It's gonna be ugly. You can do it. Why are you going so slow? There you go. Oh, maybe not. He's oh. Yep. He's already put $30 in it. What are you talking about? 40?
Yeah, 37.
Yeah.
Well, 40 after tax.
That's what you call a wall kiss.
Yeah, kiss the wall. Yeah, it did.
There you go. Oh, you bounced before you hit. That wasn't good. Jumping, Chad. Come on, jumping. He's like, yeah.
You got insurance? I don't know. We can't even jump it right now. Rock flipped it up. Oh, you gotta go. There you go.
You ever watch that Kevin RC guy?
No.
He rides it on his two wheels all the time, on the side wheel.
I've seen people do that.
I think it's the tires, because these tires won't do it. Oh, you bounced too.
Yeah.
Or it must be in a bad spot.
I'm just going out.
Chad's like, nope. Ow.
Bounces.
Your body's a little different shape now, Matt.
I got another one at the house.
What? That was a good one. Run over yourself. Matt, when you don't hit the gas till your wheels get right at the front of that and see what happens. See if it does it better. Catch.